If you love your penis, this video is for you. It might sound dramatic, but just wait until you hear what we have to share. The truth is simple. Many men have no real idea what they're doing wrong when it comes to their own intimate health. And yes, these mistakes can cost you big pain, dysfunction, infertility, even more serious risks. But don't worry. Today you'll learn the 10 worst mistakes a man can make with his penis and, importantly, how to avoid them. This video is for anyone who wants to keep their sex life active, pleasurable, and worry-free. Someone who wants to understand their body better and make smarter choices. And above all, someone who values quality of life. Stick around till the end because the final point might completely change how you view your sex life. And if you already follow our channel, you know how important it is to subscribe and hit the notification bell so we can keep bringing quality information to more people. Let's go. Ignoring your penis might sound odd, but countless men simply ignore what their body is telling them. The penis is like a thermometer for your overall health. Erectile issues, for instance, are often early signals of something more serious like cardiovascular disease. Studies show that about 14% of men with erectile dysfunction will suffer a heart attack within the following 7 years. So if something feels off, don't ignore it. Investigate it. Strong erections aren't just a sign of desire, they show that your circulatory, hormonal, nervous, and psychological systems are all working in sync, and that's vital to your overall health. There are no safe homemade fixes to enlarge the penis. Methods like jelqing or using improvised tools can cause microfractures, irreversible damage, and even permanent dysfunction. Real cases include men ending up in emergency rooms with nuts or pieces of plastic stuck around their penis. This is not a joke. I understand why these practices are so tempting. Insecurity about one's body is common, but chasing dangerous miracles is a risky path. If you want options, talk with a urologist. There are safe, medically supervised solutions that can boost your confidence without compromising your health. Hygiene may seem basic, yet many still get it wrong. If you have a foreskin, it's important to retract it and clean underneath. That helps prevent infections like balanitis, odor, and buildup of smegma secretions that irritate and lead to infections. But be gentle. Don't scrub aggressively or use harsh soaps. The skin there is sensitive. Stick with mild, neutral soaps and rinse lightly. And always dry thoroughly after showering to prevent fungal growth. Never ignore pain, swelling, discoloration, sores, or blood in your urine. These symptoms could signal anything from STIs to cancer. Yes, penile cancer exists. It's rare, but often aggressive. The earlier it's caught, the simpler the treatment. What might be treated with medication can become a surgery if ignored. And remember, healthcare professionals are there to help, not judge. Don't hesitate, seek help. Safe sex is not limiting, it's liberating. When you're not worried about STIs or unplanned pregnancy, the experience can be much more enjoyable. Try different kinds of condoms until you find what fits best, and talk openly with your partner. Control is key. Overly vigorous sex can cause penile fractures, complete internal tears that require immediate surgery. Believe it or not, it's more common than people think. Use lubrication, adjust your pace, and respect both your body and your partner's. Testicles require precise temperatures to function well, hence why they are outside the body. Frequent exposure to high heat, like hot baths, saunas, laptops on your lap, or a phone in your front pocket can affect sperm production and even lower testosterone. The damage can be temporary or permanent depending on duration and frequency. Small adjustments go a long way. Wear loose clothes, take breaks when using electronics, and avoid prolonged heat near the region. Too tight grip during masturbation. That could be sabotaging your sex life. If your body gets used to a level of pressure no partner can match, you may eventually struggle to respond to partner stimulation. Try using lubricant, explore different touches, and view masturbation as a positive part of self-care, not something to be ashamed of. It keeps your erectile function in use and helps you understand your body better. Smoking kills tobacco compromises blood flow and is a major cause of erectile dysfunction. And it's not just cigarettes. Excessive alcohol and drug use also impact performance and inactivity. That's another silent enemy. Aerobic exercise improves circulation. Strength training boosts testosterone. Good sleep, balanced nutrition, and stress reduction also matter. Your lifestyle is the foundation of your sex life. The pressure to perform nonstop is exhausting. When something goes wrong once, anxiety kicks in. That stress can lead to more anxiety, creating a vicious cycle. Worrying about failing makes it more likely you actually will. Be kind to yourself. Sexuality fluctuates. No one performs perfectly every time, and that's okay. Talk about it. Seek support. Don't isolate. Polished performance isn't everything. Sometimes talking to a therapist or urologist can make all the difference. Use it or lose it has real meaning. Spontaneous nocturnal erections help maintain healthy blood flow and prevent scarring. When you go too long without them due to stress, low libido, or lifestyle, your body may think it's no longer needed. Over time, you might notice shortening, loss of elasticity, and trouble regaining function. Even if you're single or less interested in sex, keeping some form of sexual activity, even solo, is good for health. Your body communicates constantly. When it comes to intimate health, ignoring those messages can cost you dearly. The good news: most issues can be prevented or corrected if you take action. Take care of your hygiene, your mindset, your circulation, and your decisions. Be gentle with yourself and your body. And always remember, pleasure and health go hand in hand. If you liked this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want to learn how sex can literally save your life, check out the next video. Link is right here. See you there.